What's up YouTube, greetings to everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the Eachine E6 transmitter, how to put it in real mode 1, and it's also the same for the XK-X6 transmitter. So you can see I put it before in the mode 1, so it's super easy. You can look my previous video, I will link it in the video description. So that means on the right I have the jaw and the acceleration, the throttle. But it isn't if you put. So you have on the left side the jaw and the tilt for forward and backward. So what we need to do is to change them. Yeah, we have to change the two channels from the left side to the right. So we have to open the transmitter and I will show you. So let's open the transmitter, guys, with a Xiaomi wow stick. Best screwdriver ever.
Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you like what we do, please subscribe.
So be gentle a little bit, guys, when opening the transmitter so that you don't damage any of the cables. So here's what it is, so I will show you. So that's the side from the left stick for making the up and down, the move forward, the tilt. And this cable here that goes down on the right side to the bottom one, you can see here 4, 2 on the right and 2 on the left. So that's the one we need to change. This is now our jaw, but we want to have it to the right stick so that we have real mode 1, as you can see. So, and that's the one, let me show you. So the one for making the movement. So what's now the jaw, or we want to have the jaw, sorry guys. So that's the one up from the left side from the 2 ports. So we need to change the right bottom one with the left on top one. So right bottom one, put it on the side, and on the left side the top one, and we put this one in the right bottom one, so the second one, that one that is down. And if it's done, our other cable, we put it to the left side and to the upper one, and the first on above. Yeah guys, and that's finished. So let me show you from far. So we have changed this cable here from the downside one. So this is for tilt or for jaw, now it's our jaw. And this cable here, it was before for tilt, and it's our jaw in the wrong case, and now it is tilt on the upper one. So that's all. We can close the transmitter and make some settings in the stick. It's super easy, guys. So yo guys, and again, so watch out that you don't put any cables between or cut them with a screw. So be gentle and watch out a little bit, and then yeah, closing the transmitter again.
Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you like what we do, please subscribe.
So guys, now let me show you the main part. So this is for all the S-FHSS protocols. So this is a Futuba Protocol, so in many transmitters. So on the first place we have the aileron, on the second we have the elevator, on the third we have the throttle, and on the fourth channel we have the rudder. So this is what we need to change, guys. Let me show you. Let's put on the transmitter and I will show you guys. So let's go to the mode 1 and our channel 1, put it down, and our channel 4, put it down. So we have changed these two, and now in the transmitter again, and that's everything, guys. That's what we need to do. So I think that helps a lot of guys out there, and if you like the video, so please give me a like, a comment, subscribe, and see you next week, guys. Bye bye.